Hello again. This is the 10th video of the curtain wall series videos for architecture, for Revit architecture. In this video, I would like to discuss with you how can we control, manipulate the divisions of storefront or exterior glazing. As you can see, we have a very simple 3 levels. And what we want to do is we want to add just a simple wall to make it a space for discussion. And this is the, it's a storefront, and we'll do it from here, 30 meters, something like this. And we'll control it. The start is level 1, is 0, up to, okay, up to level 3. All right, and we'll stop this command, go to the south elevation and take a look. And I actually didn't do anything except adding the wall. So what Revit did was actually it added certain heights and certain width for all of the panels. And if I click on the whole wall, you can see that Revit, as we said at the second video, that the justification is beginning for the vertical means from the left, and for justification beginning for the horizontal grid, it's from bottom. And that means it starts with a certain height up to there's no more height, so the leftovers will be at the top. And the horizontal grid says here it's 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So when they say 3 over here, which is a read-only parameter, it's without the top and bottom. And when in the vertical they say it's 19, it's without the left and right. Great. Now, what about the offset? When you add an offset, it starts, if you have a beginning, it starts from the bottom, and it's as you can see, it added 1,000 over here, and whatever left over will be starting from the 1,000. And let's do that as 0. And now we can add an angle, and that is, say, 15 degrees for the verticals. And it will look like the following. And we can add another 15 degrees for the horizontal, and you can see that we can control the angle of both horizontal and vertical grid. So this is great. This is what we want. And now let's do some controlling for other things. These are these parameters existing here called the instance parameter. That means this instance only will be affected by the changes. And let's put that back to 0. And let's do that again over here, 0. And if we want to go to edit type, that means these are parameters that can affect and will affect all of the types existing in this project. And as you can see over here, there is a vertical grid controlling layout and a horizontal grid controlling layout. The vertical grid, you have multiple ways. So of a layout, you have none, fixed distance, fixed number, maximum spacing, and minimum spacing. Here it says maximum spacing. Maximum spacing says it's a 1,524 for spacing. And if you choose minimum spacing, that means this is the minimum spacing. Anything above it will be accepted. If you choose maximum spacing, that means this is the maximum spacing of the value. You can use fixed distance, fixed number. And the fixed distance over here is an example of that you would have a fixed distance for all the vertices. It's the same as the default horizontal grid over here, which is 2,400. So if I change this to 2,000, for instance, it would actually change its distances, and whatever left over will be over here. Let's move this a little bit to the left so you can see the effect. And the one that I'd like to show you as a final step is the fixed number. As you can see, when you say fixed number over here, there is only spacing that you can control. We'll choose the fixed number for both, and we'll say, okay, now we can control things from the instance parameter. And when you say fixed number, now 14 is highlighted and 3 is highlighted. You can change that to 5. And the fixed number now, the distances are not controlled, but the number is controlled as I wish. So I'll make it 10 over here and apply. And there you go. This is how you can control things up. Thank you.